Yo, what's good everybody, Joe Skates Reaper here. So I got a package in the mail today, and I think you guys already know what it is. So, let's go ahead and get it open. Alright. It's from Amazon. Alright. We're going to do it this way. There we go. Alright. Been waiting for this for, since Christmas. Alright. Go ahead and get this piece of tape right here. Okay. Got some bubble wrap here. Nice, nice. Alright. Is RTX 4070 Ti, and it is 12 gigabytes GDDR6 Epic X, and it is from PNY. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this joker open. So we're gonna go ahead and cut the magical tape. And you bet your bottom dollar I'm installing this motherfucker tonight, because I'm pull the PS2 power supply that's in here. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna grab my Corsair 1000 watt power supply, put that in here. This is gonna be a lot easier because the back panel comes off and I can route my wires a lot easier. So with that being said, make sure I got it. Got all the tape. And the beauty about this is I'm not going to have to undo everything. All I got to do is just disconnect power and I'll be good. And I'll install everything as it's sitting up over here. So, with that being said, let's see. Again. Make sure it's all nice, and there we go. Don't want to destroy the box because, yeah, I like to keep my boxes in nice, pristine condition. It's gonna be fucking amazing. So, wait, first, let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. There we go. It's in its little anti-static bag. Alright. Go ahead and this motherfucker is a baby beef feed. Alright. I think this is the thickest GPU I've had ordered thus far. Okay. Look. It's fucking ridiculous. I hope the accelerate lights up. XLR8, yeah, I hope that lights up. Let's see. Yeah. There's the new connector, which I do have. Alright. Let's see if it comes with anything else. It doesn't look like it does. So, we'll go ahead and throw everything over there, and, we're going to go ahead and get this installed here in a second, because again, I have to pull out the Corsair power supply because I'm going to need it in this, because the power draw on this is, well, yeah, it is going to be ridiculous. Anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. Peace.